a Beardtongue Precox Nanis Rondo. It's a perennial and it blooms in summer. So it needs full sun, 2 part shade. Let's see. It says bloom times early summer to autumn. And water allows soil to dry between thorough waterings. The height is 20 inches tall and it needs spacing of 12 to 16 inches, and its hardiness zone is 4 to 9. Okay, so it needs spaces between 12 to 16. So 12, I'll do 12. Or maybe a 16. That's pretty. There's something that was planted here. That's already dead. Okay, 16. 12. This is I think this might be, let's use this one. This is about 12. And 12. Okay, let's start digging the hole. Okay. Let me start digging the one in the middle. We had so much rain on Tuesday last week, and it's still, the soil is still wet, the ground is still wet, I should say. That should be wide enough. I'll make it wider a little bit. Another airplane passing by. Our Manitoba soil is clay. Of course, it needs some transplant fertilizer. Okay, I already put the fertilizer in. All I have to do now is just put this plant in a hole. Loosen up the roots a little bit. Okay, water, halfway water. It will eliminate some of the air pockets. And then, where is a tag? Okay, here's a tag. Oops. I don't want to bury the leaves. I have these plants for how many weeks now, and I never had a chance to plant them because the weather was crazy. I was either busy doing something else or the weather wasn't cooperating. Okay, one plant down. Okay, let me dig another one. Let's do this one here. There's a shovel. This is a Stokes Aster. The height is 24 inches and 12 inches wide, and it blooms from July to September. And that's all the information I have. It's in zone 4. Okay, I'm gonna start digging here. Has to be about double the size of the pot. I'm planting it closer because I want it to look full. Let's see if this is deep enough. That's deep enough. The size of the hole is wide enough. That's good. Let me start with this one. And there's so much weed. The weed is about is 12 inches wide. So it says 12, 6 and 6. And then 6 and 6, so it'll look full. Okay, let's see if it's deep enough. Oh yeah, let me just clean it up a little bit. Let's see. That's good. That's pretty good. Okay, let me put a transplant fertilizer. Some transplant fertilizer here. And let me loosen up the roots a little bit. And this one, I'll put the soil halfway and then water it. Now that it's watered, I'm going to fill the soil, the hole with soil. Let me put this one here. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it so I can make a note in my note. Sometimes I don't remember the name of the plants, and that's a good to make a note of it. It's a good way to remember it. This is the La Diva Spirit White Lavender. It's a white lavender and it blooms in July to September. It's a full sun and 16 inches wide, I think, and 18 inches tall. And it is supposed to be a zone 3. Ooh, water. It says water regularly until established. So this is what I'm going to be planting. I just planted the pink one right over here, and on this side of the walkway I'm going to plant the white lavender. It's the first time I've seen a lavender that is in a zone 3. That's hardy to zone 3. Is this enough? Yep, actually it's a little too deep, but that's okay. I'll just put a little bit. I'll add a little bit of soil. I'm watering it halfway, so this will eliminate some air pockets. Of course, I have to water it again after. Okay, I'm just watering it down. Water that one. And I'm going to use the other just to water some of it. I planted this 2 days ago. Okay, move to the other ones that I planted 3 days ago. Still have lots of plants here to plant. Okay, these are from 3 days ago. I'm running out of water, so I'm just going to water them a little bit for now. And then water them sometime this afternoon. Okay, that's about it. It's just perfect. I'm going back inside. See all of my mess.